TZ2 frontal plane common wedge progression setup, advanced, and we're focusing on the position. So with the left foot up and the right foot on the wedge, we're taking the slack out the frontal plane. We just have a sagittal plane, overhead reach driver, sagittal plane, overhead reach driver to progress frontal plane driver as we shift our weight forward. The right arm is going to reach overhead in the frontal plane to the left. For our transverse plane driver, we'll start low and go with a reverse chop from left hip, up, overhead, and to the right. And for a combination of a top-down transverse plane and frontal plane driver, we have a type 1 in-sync motion going from left hip up overhead to the right, and then right arm will go up overhead the frontal plane to the left. Uncommon bottom up wedge driver for TZ2 calf. We'll position the wedge with the right foot going up, taking the slack off the sagittal plane, and then also in the frontal plane, so we have the downhill run away from the right foot. And we're focusing on the position. So in the sagittal plane with our driver, we're shifting and reaching overhead in the sagittal plane. And in the frontal plane, as we shift forward, the right arm is going to reach overhead and to the left. Right arm will reach overhead and to the left. For transverse plane, we're going to move from left hip to up overhead to the right. Left hip up overhead and to the right. And a combination of the frontal plane and transverse is a top-down driver. Left hand will rotate from the left hip up overhead and to the right. And then right arm is going to reach overhead side bending to the left for a type 1 in sync motion.